Hey, what's going on? Nate Kennedy here. I want to talk a little bit about a big challenge that we find our clients having with attracting the wrong people. We've helped over 103 people, 103 companies build marketing and sales strategies and systems inside their business. We happen to oversee $6.5 million a year in ad spend. And through that process, what we're learning and what we've learned is if you want to eliminate attracting the wrong people and start attracting the right people, what I would do is I'd go back and I would start focusing on the proper messaging. And now the proper messaging being simple. It doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to have a bunch of buzzwords. It just has to say, here's what we do, here's how we do it, and here's how we help you, and here's the results you're gonna get. So for example, what we do here is we help companies build rock solid marketing and sales systems so they can accelerate their growth without sacrificing revenue, right? So it's very simple. It's a very defined message on how we help companies. So if you simplify that message for yourself and you go ahead and you dive in and you really start simplifying it. So how do you do that? Let's give you some processes around that. Number one, really dive into the avatar. You really want to understand a lot about what they do, how they do it, how they act, the way they talk, and truly understand what it is they want to accomplish. Second, what is it you truly do? What is the biggest problem you solve? The way that you help somebody go from A to Z, not A to B, A to Z. What's that big thing, right, that you help them do to be able to accomplish the goals or get to where they want to get, right? So there's a lot of people over here on this side that are just, they just need somebody to help them get over here. So how are you going to bridge that gap? What's the problem you're going to solve and what's the solution you can provide to bridge that gap? Now if I were you, I would focus my offer and my messaging right around that. I would craft my message and my offer around that process. The mistake that everyone else makes, they try and help everybody, and when you try and help everybody, you start attracting everybody, and when you start attracting everybody, you start running a business that's doing a million things at once. And when you're running a business doing a million things at once, you don't have a scalable business. Your growth is going to suffer and your revenue is going to suffer because you're doing too many things and trying to accomplish too many things, and your amount of time is gone and wiped out. What I would recommend is when you simplify this message, start with your avatar, start looking at the problems that you solve and look at the big ones. Define the core one that you can help people with, get a fast result quickly. And then I would craft your message around that. And then I would put that as your core messaging into the marketplace. When you do that and when you put that messaging into the marketplace, what you're gonna find, you're going to start attracting more people that can use your help. Your conversations, the sales calls that you get on and the conversations that you have are going to be more effective. They're going to be people that you can help more instead of attracting the wrong people and being on a sales call with someone that's just not a good fit. You're now on a sales call with somebody who is a good fit. The question is whether or not they're the right fit for you. This video provides value to you. Do me a favor, like, comment, share, and give that out to someone else. So appreciate it. Thanks so much.